Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the invoice settings, which is basically all the information that we need to that will be displayed on the invoice templates, which we configured in the previous video. So again, there's two ways of accessing it. We can either go to the blue arrow and we have the invoice setting here, or we can go to account settings, business identity, and again, we can manage from this little button here or the invoice settings here. So basically here is where we say which template we want to use. So we're going to use the primary that we created in the previous video. The default payment terms, this can be set here or per client as well. So we can do that. We have the invoice number prefix. This is how it would look on your invoice. So let's say for my printing company, it's called Acme Printing Supply. So we can do the Acme, and you can see here Acme, and it could say 2026, and have two spacing. So we can have like this, or we can have more. So if you think you're going to do over 10,000 invoicing this year, well, you can put like this 001 and it'll be that. If you're coming in from another system and your last invoice was 363, so you can say that your next invoice is going to be 364. So when you create your invoice for your next client, you will be automatically set to 364 and it will increment automatically after that. After that, we have the date format. So we have these formattings here. I'm going to use the standard USD one or Canadian one or whatever. The number format. So you can have European standard, US standard with the dot and the comma there, and number of decimals as well. So we're going to save this settings here. And if we go down, we have the invoice logo. So whatever invoice logo you choose here, it's going to appear on your invoices. So I'm just going to go and choose, let's say this one here, and do upload. So this logo is going to appear on the top left corner of the invoices. Down here, we can, this is optional, but we can enter all the payment terms, the notes, footer text, bank details for payments, and you can choose the text for the English, Spanish, or the French that's going to appear on the preferred language of your customer. So if you put all the translations, they will see it in their language once you send them the invoice. The same thing for the invoice labels. So these are all the labels that appear on the invoice. And again, you can change the labels for all the languages as you want. So in French and Spanish and whatever. So once that is done, just save and that's it. So this is the video to how to set up your invoice settings. And so thank you. Have a great day.